Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we delve into the world of high-speed chases, as we showcase 3 intense police pursuits that unfortunately ended in fatalities. These cases highlight the dangers and high stakes involved in police pursuits. Bryant, Arkansas. On September 9th, 2023, a police pursuit of a reckless driver who sped through red lights and drove into oncoming traffic ended tragically when the suspect's vehicle rolled multiple times, ejecting the driver and resulting in a fatality.
Hands! All right, let's go up, Clear. Yes, sir. Okay. Good.
After the initial pursuit ended, police officer and medic ambulance gave their best to rescue the suspect. But sadly, there was no luck. A high-speed police chase with Jacksonville Police Department ended in tragedy when the fleeing vehicle lost control, crossed multiple lanes, went down an embankment, and collided with a tree. The driver was pronounced deceased on the scene by the Pulaski County coroner.
I ain't got no legs, that's why I couldn't stop right there. I didn't want to jam the brakes.
Oh, okay. Well, I'm Officer Fairchild, Jacksonville Police Department. So the reason I stopped you, this plate doesn't come back to the vehicle.
Right,
Your brake lights are messed up.
I just bought it.
And you're Tony Redstat, right?
Yeah.
You still suspended?
Yeah, I'm going right here and back home. I ain't got nothing to drink.
Yeah. I mean, technically you're driving, not driving.
Please.
But how does that work though? Like, is it safe?
Yeah, it works. I just didn't want to slam myself into the windshield.
Three, four out with them.
Show me your hands! Put your hands up! Put your hands up! Show me your hands now! Put your fucking hands up! Watch your mouth, Fernandez. I'm on your right.
He's unconscious. Hey, he's got no legs. He has no legs.
Clear one.
He has no legs.
Okay, well, can you contact the state and see if they can have
A high-speed pursuit ended fatally when the fleeing vehicle failed to negotiate a left-hand curve, exited the highway, struck an embankment, and overturned. The driver was ejected, and the vehicle came to rest upright in a roadside ditch.
1037. I-65 north, just past the solar farm. Speed's 130, trying to catch up. Reasonable stops, failure to maintain lane. Adam George Edwards, 10 Union. Adam George Edwards, get you. We're turning on Bel Air cutoff.
Turning
on Bel Air cutoff.
turning on parallel cutoff.
It notified Thermite. They were probably going to be coming inside their city. Yeah, Temple.
65, turning on Bel Air cutoff.
Good night. Just turned on 208, headed towards 165.
208, and 465, 165.
Advised Thermite, it's a blue Challenger. I'm familiar with who drives it.
4.
Driver! Driver!